everyone, and welcome to this new video tutorial. In this video, I will show you how you could divide an entire column or even a table by 3 clicks. So let's say I want to divide this entire column by number 20. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to choose any empty square, case, or row, and I will type 20. I will click on it, click select, or Control C. I will then select my entire column or table which I want to divide by that specific number. Next step, I will click with the right button of the mouse and select Paste Special. Next step, we are going to click Divide, and we're going to click OK. As you can see, my entire column has been divided by 20. You can choose whatever number you want, or you can choose whatever table you want and you can divide it by that number. I hope this video tutorial was helpful and easy. If you are still in need of help or assistance, you can always write us a comment or send us an email and we will do our best to help you. If you'd like to encourage us to produce more video tutorials, you can always press like and share, and do not forget to subscribe to get our latest videos. Thank you for watching and talk to you soon in a new video tutorial.